Hello students, today we are going to listen a story. This story is very popular. The name of the story is The Thirsty Crow. Listening short stories in English will help you a lot. So let's begin. The Thirsty Crow. It was a hot summer day. A thirsty crow was flying in the sky in search of water over the houses, fields and trees. But unfortunately, he didn't find water anywhere. After a long time, he came across a farmland. To his surprise, under one of the trees, there was a pitcher of water. He was so happy to find some water finally. He swooped down to the ground. He quickly came closer to the pitcher and looked inside. There was very little water in the pot. The crow put his beak inside the pitcher, but could not reach the water as the water level was too low. He tried to push the vessel down to let the water out, but it was too heavy. The crow was disappointed, but he didn't give up. Instead, he looked around and thought, "What else can I do?" He saw that there were a lot of pebbles in the farm. He had an idea. He took a pebble and put it into the pitcher. As he added more and more stones, the water level came up to the brim. The crow drank the water and flew back home happily. Here I have given all the hard word meanings. Thirsty Crow story में जितने भी hard word meanings हैं वो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिए हैं और मैं उन्हें एक बार आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. Thirsty का मतलब है प्यासा. Unfortunately, unluckily, दुर्भाग्य से. Farmland, it's a field, कोई भी खेत. Surprise, shocked, हैरान हो जाना. Pitcher, earthen pot, मिट्टी का घड़ा. Swoop down, बर्ड्स के लिए यूज होता है जब वो एकदम तेजी से नीचे की तरफ आते हैं. Vessel, a hollow container, कोई भी खाली बर्तन. Disappointed, unhappy, उदास हो जाना. Instead, as an alternative or in place of, के बजाय. Pebbles, small pieces of stone. Conquer. Brim, edge, means किनारा. Necessity, requirement, इसका मतलब आवश्यकता या ज़रूरत. Strength, power, इसका मतलब ताकत. Here I have explained you all the words in Hindi so you can get a better understanding of this story. I hope you might have understood it. We have moral also. Where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाहा वहाँ रहा. Necessity is the mother of invention. आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी है. Our mental strength is superior to physical strength. हमारी बुद्धि हमारी शारीरिक ताकत से कहीं सुपीरियर होती है. Thank you.